Investing in stonks is a great way to make long-term profits. To get started, you first need to register with a stonk exchange. You can buy any stonks of your choosing using many different currencies, like the US dollar, euro, Dogecoin, Robux, V-Bucks and emeralds. When trading stonks, it is important to buy low and sell high. For example, the Me and the Boys stonk has likely already reached its all-time high peak and is projected to only go downwards from its current value. On the other hand, the over 9000 stonk is a newly released IPO and has great potential to rise above the 9000 V-Bucks threshold in the near future, so it is a recommended stonk to invest in. If you want to become a stonk trader guru, be sure to buy my book and also subscribe to my stonk investing online course, where from right here in my garage, I teach you how to properly invest all your life savings into dubious cryptocurrency stonks like
Bitcoin.
I thank you for using your visual and auditory organs to perceive and interpret this digital motion picture production.